Have you ever saw a male shirt, a senator wear, and you have bulges around the armholes, like foldings around the armholes, and you don't know what caused them? So there are two things that could cause those bulges around the armhole. The first one is while you are cutting the shoulder, maybe the shoulder slant is not enough, and the other one is you not cutting the armhole perfectly, you not cutting the armhole. So many tailors don't have formulas for cutting the armhole, they just assume and cut it as they feel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut the shoulder and the armhole the perfect way. So after placing the front fabric on the back, as I did here, this is the front and this is the back. For adults, for cutting a senator wear for adults, the shoulder slant should not be less than 2.5 inches. Nothing less than 2.5 inches. So I'm going to mark 2.5 here. So I'm going to make the slant because the shoulder is not straight. So you have to give the slant. So after making this slant, I'm going to cut it. So from this point, I'm going to shift this front downward. So you can shift the front downward as you like, depending. Some people want the back to overlap on the front to about 2.5 inches, while some 2 inches, and some people just 1.5 inches. So let's make the back overlap like this. Once you make the slant and the shoulder slant 2.5 inches, that is 2.5 inches, you have succeeded one step of avoiding those bulges, avoiding the foldings around the armhole. So the second thing you should know is how to cut the armhole. So I'm going to be using shoulder of 20 inches. So 20 inches, adding just seeing a little sewing allowance here. So I'm going to mark this side. So to get the armhole length, because most people just assume and mark this as the length of the armhole, but to get the armhole length, you have to divide the chest measurement by 6. Divide it by 6, then add 1 inch to the result. So I'm using chest measurement of 40 here. So dividing 40 by 6, I think that should be 6.6 inches. So I'm going to add 1 to it, making it 7.6 inches. So I'm going to be using 7.5 here, that is 7.5 inches. So the next thing is to get the chest measurement. So the chest measurement is 40, so I'm going to mark 40 here without adding any sewing allowance first. So if you have this French curve, this will help very well in getting the armhole curve. So as you can see, I'm going to curve it using this French curve. This is the armhole. This will prevent those folding around the armhole. After that, you can proceed to take the body measurement, the chest measurement, and add your sewing allowance, maybe 2 inches, bringing it to 12. So this, how to avoid that foldings around the armhole. First thing, if the shoulder is not slant enough, that is, the shoulder is somehow straight, is not slant enough, it will bring those foldings to the armhole. Connecting the armhole from the neck, and connecting the folding will be from the neck to the armhole, and which I know you don't want. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment and share.